Hi, in this video I'm gonna be walking through how to backup and restore WhatsApp messages from internal storage. Follow this easy and step-by-step guide to do it. First of all, let's create backup. So go to your WhatsApp and tap on this three dot, tap on settings, tap on chat backup. And now to backup your chat in your internal storage, don't select any Google account. Now just tap on backup and your WhatsApp message will be backed up in your internal storage. Now I'm going to uninstall my WhatsApp app. And now I'm going to opening my Play Store and simply reinstalling my WhatsApp Messenger. Once successfully installed, I'm going to opening my WhatsApp app and selecting a language, tapping on next, agree and continue. And all you have to need, go ahead and enter here your number. Tap on next and verify your number. And here we can see here we can see restore backup, backup found. Now all you have to need is tap on restore and then all of your WhatsApp message or backup will be restored in your WhatsApp app. So this is how we can take WhatsApp chat backup from internal storage. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.